In this vlog, we will be studying class 9. I remember by Thomas Hood. Things that will be covered in this vlog will be as follows: about the poem, introduction of the poem, and the summary. Thomas Hood was born on May 23rd, 1799 in London and survived till May 3rd, 1845. An editor, publisher, poet, and humorist. He was the son of a bookseller. After his father died in 1811, Hood worked in a counting house until illness forced him to move to Dundee, Scotland to recover with relatives. In 1880, he returned to London to work as an engraver. Hood was associated with a number of magazines throughout his life: the London Magazine and New Monthly Magazine as an editor, and the Athenaeum as a contributor. He also published a magazine called Hood's Own, or Laughter, from year to year, and released the comic annual series. As a member of the London literary scenes, he was familiar with Hartley Coleridge, Thomas de Quincey, William Hazlitt, Charles Lamb, and William Wordsworth. I remember the house where I was born, the little window where the sun came peeping in at noon. He never came to wink too soon, nor brought too long a day. But now I often wish the night had borne my breath away. I remember the roses red and white, the violets and the flying cups, those flowers made of light, the lilicas were robin billed, and where my brother said the laburnum on his birthday. The tree is living yet. I remember where I was used to swing, and throughout the air must rush as free to swallows on the wing. My spirit flew in feathers then, that is so heavy now, and summer's pools could hardly cool the fevers on my brow. I remember the fir trees, dark and high. I used to think their slender top were close against the sky. It was a childish ignorance, and now that's little joy, to know I am further off from heaven than when I was a boy. Introduction of the poem. Thomas Hood's I Remember is a poem filled with nostalgia for the happier days of childhood. The poem's speaker, going through unspecified troubles and struggles as an adult, looks back on the days of his youth and feels as if he must have once lived in an eternal summer. Back when he was a boy, he says, the flower always seemed to be in bloom. His light hearted soul flew in feathers like a swallow, and heaven seemed as nearby as the tops of the trees. Alas, childhood cannot last forever, and adulthood means living those charmed days behind. Hood wrote this poem in 1826 and first published it in an annual magazine called Friendship's Offering. Next, coming upon to summary. I remember the house I was born in, with a little window where the morning sun peeped in. Back then, the sun never seemed to rise too early, and the day never seemed too long. But these days, I often wish I would die during the night. I remember the red and white roses, the violets and the lilies, flowers that seemed to be made of light. I remember the lilical bush where robins nests nested, and the place where my brother planted the lulubulum tree on his birthday. It's still growing today. I remember where I used to play on the swing. I felt sure that the air rushing past me must feel just as fresh to scooping shallows. My soul seemed to be a bird then, but now it's weighed down, and even a summer swing could not cool my feverish forehead. I remember the tall fir trees. I used to believe their tops nearly touched the sky. That was just childish foolishness. But now I am an adult. It does not give me much pleasure to know that heaven is further away than I believed it was when I was a little. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And do watch my full video for better understanding.